Have you ever been in the middle of building energy simulation or even manual calculation and realize you are missing a critical value like thermal resistance or U factor of a wall section? I've been there too. Without accurate thermal data, your entire simulation can fall apart, leading to unrealistic loads, misleading results, and wrong design decisions. But there's a free and powerful tool that can help. Therm, developed by Lawrence Berkeley National Lab. Therm lets you model 2D cross-sections of building components, walls, windows, doors, and calculate accurate U values and R values based on geometry and material layers. You define the geometry, assign thermal properties from its database or your specs, then run the simulation. It gives you detailed heat flow and temperature counter data. With just a few steps, you get precise U values you can plug right back into your building energy model for realistic performance and compliance-grade documentation. Good energy modeling starts with accurate input. If you have been guessing or relying on generic U values, it's time to try Therm.